Man killed near bar on Caledona Courts Plaza in Mandeville, Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was shot dead on Caledona Courts Plaza in Mandeville, Manchester on Wednesday night. Preliminary reports are that shortly after 11 p.m., armed assailants stormed the plaza on open gunfire, hitting the man in the vicinity of a bar. He reportedly collapsed on the stairs on the second floor of the plaza. The incident also sent patrons from multiple bars at the location scampering for cover as gunshots rang out. The area has been a scene of several shooting incidents over the years. Head of the Manchester Police, Deputy Superintendent Kerry Duncan, said that Gardner was taken to the Mandeville Regional Hospital where he was pronounced dead.
Mr. Omar Gaynor, with a 33 years old, was at a premises along Caledona Court. He was there having drinks with some of his friends when he was approached by three men, two of whom were armed with handguns, who opened fire at him and hitting him all over his body. He was taken to the Mandeville Regional Hospital where he was pronounced dead.
The deceased has been identified as 33-year-old Omar Gaynor, alias Davy, of Old Ports in the parish. No motive has since been established for the shooting. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.